Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Xbox error code 0x80830003. We can't save more data for this game or app. So, you need to know the error is telling you that the partition is full and you need to free up space. Because, a local cache of those saves is stored in a hidden partition of limited size. You cannot see this partition, and would have no way of knowing if it was full unless the console tells you it is. And that's exactly what's happening. So, the easiest way to deal with this is to go into the storage settings and delete all saves. As long as you've been online recently, everything should be safe in the cloud. The next time you launch a game, it will sync the saves for that game back to the local cache. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the saves, but it will only happen the first time you launch the game. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.